Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The origin of braids can be traced back 5,000 years in African culture to 3500 BC. They were very popular among women. Braids are not just a style. This craft is a form of art. Braiding started in Africa with the Himba people of Namibia, says Alyssa Pace of Bamain Salon.
Let's help you make your mark.
In the Bible, at 1 Peter chapter 3 verses 3-4 it says, "Do not let your adornment be external, the braiding of hair and wearing of gold ornaments or fine clothing, but let it be the secret person of the heart in the incorruptible adornment of the quiet and mild spirit, which is of great value in the eyes of God."
Let's help you make your mark.
Some Vikings, young women in particular, may have worn braids. However, braids were likely not the most common hairstyle for most Vikings. By examining statues and texts discovered from the Viking era, it appears that most Norse warriors wore their hair short, making braids fairly uncommon.
Let's help you make your mark.
In the time of slavery in Colombia, hair braiding was used to relay messages. For example, to signal that they wanted to escape, women would braid a hairstyle called day parts. In the braids, they also kept gold and hid seeds which, in the long run, helped them survive after they escaped.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.